introduce my name. My name is Renaldi Rahman. You can call me Mr. Aldi. Today I will teach you about subject of the material of English. Before we start the lesson, anybody knows what we are going to learn today? Apakah ada yang tahu akan belajar apa kita hari ini?
Apa ya?
Don't know, share.
Tidak tahu.
Okay. Don't know, share. Before we start our lessons, I see all of you less of enthusiast or less for spirits. Before we start our lesson, I see all of you less of enthusiast for the learning today. May I giving you some ice breaking for learning today? Do you want it? Apakah kalian mau saya beri ice breaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Before we start the ice breaking,
Maju,
let
Pak.
me giving some instruction about the ice breaking today.
Gak kelihatan saya, Pak.
Ya kelihatan.
Iya, Pak. Tulis itu, Pak.
You can follow after me, okay?
Oke.
When I say good morning everybody, how are you? You can answer this. The first ice breaking, the first part ice breaking. You can say, or you can
I'm
answer,
great.
I'm great. Okay.
Oh,
And
oke.
the next point, when I asking, good morning my students, you can say, good morning my teacher. Okay? Understand?
Okay.
And the next, when I say, good morning everybody, how are you? You can answer, I'm great, I'm fine, yes. Okay?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the ice breaking. Let's play the ice breaking. 1, 2, 3. Good morning everybody, how are you?
I'm great.
Good morning my students.
Good morning, my teachers.
Good morning everybody, how are you?
I'm great. I'm fine. Yes.
One more. Good morning everybody, how are you?
I'm great.
Good morning my students.
Good morning, my teachers.
Good morning everybody, how are you?
I'm great. I'm fine. Yes.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the material for today. Play ice breaking. Today I will giving you about some material for learning today. I will give you some classroom words and vocabulary to improving about your brain vocabulary. And then in this verb, I am writing 10 verbs in classroom vocabulary. And then I will choosing all of you to spell sounds about the classroom verbs correctly. If you have wrong to spelling the vocabulary of verbs, I will give you sounds correctly to how spell sounds or spell verbs correctly.
Gak ngerti, Pak.
Jadi di sini kan ada 9 kata kerja. Nah, jadi saya nanti akan menunjuk satu-satu bagaimana pembacaan ataupun bagaimana cara membaca vocabulary ini yang benar ataupun kata kerja yang benar.
Oh.
Jadi saya akan tunjuk satu-satu. Oke? Apakah
Tapi
kalian siap? Ready?
Lanjut, Pak. Lanjut.
Ya.
Okay, let me choosing all of you one by one to spelling of the classroom verbs. Maybe the first students I will choosing Naya. Okay, from the first verb, please spell it. Bisa dibaca.
Bisa dibaca. Yang satu. Reading.
Terus
Book.
book.
Book. Book.
Good.
Book.
And the next students I will choosing Puspa. You can spelling these verbs.
Nomor berapa, Pak?
Number 2,
Reading.
And the next students, choosing Nadia, you can spelling number 4.
Number 4. Answering question.
And sorry, W in this word you can spell or kamu tidak boleh membaca secara jelas pada W di words ini. Jadi you can say answering question. You can following me.
Answering question.
Okay.
Gimana, Pak?
Answering question.
Answering Maaf, Pak. Answering aduh ya Allah, gimana, Pak? Answering question.
Okay, good job.
Jangan ketawa, diketawain, Pak. Gak suka.
And the next students, Mas Noval, please read number 8.
Standing in front of class.
Salah, untuk bacaan yang benar, the
Benar.
correct sounds is standing in front of class. Okay, you can repeat after me.
Standing in front of class.
Okay, good job.
Standing.
And the next, the last students, Mas Raffi, number 9, you can read.
Sitting cair. Bener kan?
Correctly sound. Okay, thank you for your spelling our classroom for learning today. And the next session, I will give you some games about the vocabulary and listening for this. I hope for this game, train your memorizing about your vocabulary and train your listening skills. Okay? Maybe I will create two groups. For one group, I think there are 2 people on one group and then 3 people on the second group. Okay?
Ya.
Okay. After we create 2 groups, and the first group I will give name of group feelings. Okay? Alright.
Okay.
And
Yes.
the second group, the name of group is
Meow.
groups. Okay. Let me give you instruction about the playing this game. When I asking question about the vocabulary words or classroom words in bahasa, please between 2 groups, all of you answering more quickly. Okay, then the second group more slow from the first group. The second group must be demonstrate about the classroom words from the first group. Okay, understand now?
Understand.
Sure.
Okay, let's go to the play this game. From the first classroom words, I will spelling of mendengarkan musik.
Listening music.
Okay, let's demonstrate about listening music.
Musik.
Cut dulu.
3.
Tiga.
Iya ini belum deh.
Group demonstration about the listening music.
Listening music.
You can demonstration or
Musik DJ kan?
boleh. Okay, good job. Okay, the next question or the next students, I will choosing about words. Membaca buku.
Buku.
Okay.
Oh iya. Reading book.
Reading. Okay, please the second group demonstrate about reading book.
Reading book. Baca buku. Iya. Ayo kamu
Baca buku.
baca buku.
Okay. Last question. Okay. The next question is a little bit about closing the door.
Kembali.
Oh ya. Question is duduk di kursi. Okay?
Sitting chair.
Okay, good. What is demonstrate about the sitting chair?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good job.
Yay!
Okay, please go to the chair.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, thank you for coming today. If I have mistake, I apologize. Thank you for the learning today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi